He, Priya's Kitchen wishes you all a very happy Deepavali 2019. Just a new intro from this Diwali, because change makes life easier, and it also, along with the recipes, if it is appended with innovation, it captures the taste buds of all. So from now, certain videos, I'll be appending as assortment with my voice on the menu, the ingredients, the procedure, and the display, and how to pair up the dishes with each other. So this Deepavali, I started with an apple jamun. I will append the recipe here afterwards in text form underneath the videos. And now I'm going to speak, or I'm going to display and serve you a very yummy dish. It's very famous North Indian item. It is something very creative from my side because I reversed the ingredients. It is aloo gopi, original aloo gopi recipe. Along with that, I'm going to append equal proportions of carrot, tomato, pink onion, potato, and 75% of cauliflower. So please cut the cauliflower into small florets. Wash them well. Those of you who use white vinegar can use for the wash, but that is not necessary. You can just soak those cut cauliflowers in hot water, mild hot water, okay? And first strain that cauliflower, then boil the water, okay? Once the bubbles started coming, please put the cauliflower, cut carrots, potatoes. If you want, the kids like, you can add broccoli and corn as well, baby corn as well. But baby corn pairing up is according to the taste of individuals. This I am serving it with parota and roti, so I am putting it in the gravy form. If you are going to serve in curry form, then baby corn will be appended advantage. And the baby corn, how you have to add is, you have to make it as pepper, white pepper and salt. You have to add that. You have to bake the baby corn, or you have to steam cook the baby corn for a whistle, then strain the water, add a little bit of white pepper and 1/2 spoon of gram flour, and then mild roast it in minimum oil, okay? And then you append it at last before serving the curry. It will taste very good. But for the sabji part of it, this baby corn is an option. It depends upon the taste buds of each and every one. So the procedure goes this way. Add oil in the pan. Okay. So South Indian taste, you can add the mustard seeds and split urid dal some. Once it is split, and then you can add the urid dal, then you can add the jeera for the North Indian taste. Those of you who want the Pakka 5-star or star hotel taste, you can add the spring onions and the spring onion leaves along with the jeera. And after that, you have to add the cut onions. You can also add capsicum of any, you can add the bell pepper green or the colored ones also, red, yellow, or all three together. It depends upon the taste. Once it is finely sauteed and it is half cooked, you can see it is cooked in the oil. After that, you have to strain this cauliflower, carrot, potato, which is boiled in water, and then when you are boiling, please add a pinch of turmeric for the germs to wipe off. So then strain the boiled veggies and append the veggies, that is, add the veggies into the onion, capsicum, and that mixture in the tawa, and then mix it well. Then add the red chili powder, curry powder, and paprika red. See, that paprika red is available in two varieties. One is the spicy one is the sweet and sour spicy one. So if you want to go for rumali roti or a plain paratha, this sweet spicy one will be added naan. It will go very well. But you are going to serve for the plain rotis or the stuffed rotis, then you have to go for the sweet and sour paprika. So add everything, fine just close the mixture, allow it to cook nicely. You can add curry leaves also. South Indian taste, you can add fresh curry leaves, and while transferring the contents to the serving bowl, you can please add fresh thin sliced coriander and mix it well and serve very steam hot. And this particular side dish of this baby corn cauliflower, that is in short aloo gobi, this goes very well with the aloo paratha, stuffed parathas of any type, and the rumali roti, and also it goes very well with the fulka and all pulka. The pulka roti also, this you can serve, but when you are serving for the pulka roti, you make the roti dry, so only the sabji type of aloo gobi will be very good with that. With paratha you can serve anything. And one more thing is, when you are serving the paratha and the aloo gobi, you have to see to that you serve very fresh side dish, and you have to serve the rotis very, very fresh. You have to make one in the tawa, one in the plate. So that will kindle the taste buds of the guest. Wish you a very happy Deepavali 2019. Then this is the dinner recipe one for the Diwali special series. It will be followed by few more dishes from my side. Thank you so much. Have a great Deepavali.